Hello guys, we are here today to unbox and review the Acer Aspire 5. It is a budget laptop that falls in the $500 or around 20,000 pesos category. This laptop is good for light school and office work, online browsing, teaching, and conferencing. Now here are the main specs of this budget laptop. It has a display of 15.6 inches with a resolution of 1080p. It runs with 1.6 GHz i5-8265U, which means it's upgradable. It also has 8 GB of RAM and a storage capacity of 256 GB SSD with an operating system of 64-bit Windows 10 Home. Now that we're done with the specs, let's head on to our desk to open up this thing. So the box arrived 2 days after ordering it from visions.ca. First off are the manuals. Next is the HDD/SSD mounting bracket in case you want to upgrade the laptop storage. The laptop itself, power brick and cable. Back of the display feels good, not premium, but not cheap either. Now this is the front, simple, silver with an Acer logo. And this is what it looks like on its right. Back, left, and front. Now let's check the right side. You will find the 3.5mm jack headphone output, USB slot, a couple of indicator lights, and a USB Type-C slot. And on the left side, power input, Ethernet cable slot, HDMI, 2 USB slots, and a USB Type-C as well. Front of it looks sleek. I would say almost same as the general laptop models that doesn't have a disk drive. At the back, it looks sturdy and pretty good that it's glass. Underneath this laptop is good. There are a lot of vents where adequate air can flow. And it has one long anti-slip and 2 short ones. This laptop has Biometric Scanner, means that you can unlock it by just scanning your fingerprint. The keyboard is not that great, as most laptops are. My only concern is that the power button is together with the keyboard and not on a separate area as most laptops have. Overall, I think this laptop is a steal on its price. You can light edit photos and videos with a simple effects. Cropping, slicing, chopping, and putting it all together will work just fine.